China is about to change the world forever. What if I told you there is a silver-colored metal with unlimited energy potential that's safer, cleaner, and vastly more efficient than traditional uranium-based nuclear power? This could be the greatest discovery in human history, a discovery capable of transforming economies, reshaping the global balance of power, and revolutionizing life on our planet as we know it. This is the future of limitless energy, and China is leading the way. You've got to watch this video to the end, you won't believe what's coming. Listen, an advanced economy cannot function without rare earth elements. Rare earths are 17 silvery white minerals that are essential for producing weapons, drones, wind turbines, and electronic goods. China dominates the rare earth industry, accounting for 70% of global production and 90% of processing. Analysts have warned that China could use rare earths as a countermeasure, potentially restricting sales to the United States in the name of national security. The European Union imports 90% of the rare earths and magnesium it uses from China. These materials drive artificial intelligence, defense, and the future of warfare. Ukraine claims to hold about 5% of the world's critical raw materials, including graphite, a key component in EV batteries and nuclear reactors. The world must prepare for a new global leader. China has achieved what no other nation could, unlocking a virtually limitless energy source that will reduce energy costs to almost zero. While other nations struggle with fuel shortages and economic instability, China has found the key to a new era of energy dominance. The future is here, and it's powered by thorium. For over a century, wars have been fought over fossil fuels, economies have crumbled under energy crises, and nations have been shackled by dependency on unstable energy sources. But deep within China's land, the answer has always been waiting: thorium. Thorium, a silver-colored metal, has been overlooked for decades, yet it holds the power to generate 200 times more energy than uranium, operates without meltdown risks, and leaves behind only a fraction of nuclear waste. Now, China has uncovered a game-changing deposit, 1 million tons of thorium at the Bayan Obio mining complex, enough to power the nation for over 60,000 years. With this discovery, China has secured the future of clean, sustainable, and virtually inexhaustible energy. A total of 233 thorium-rich zones have been mapped across the country, forming a national energy shield that guarantees China's rise as a global energy superpower. Thorium is not just another energy resource, it is a strategic advantage. China is pioneering a future where energy is abundant, cheap, and clean. Unlike uranium-based reactors, thorium reactors offer 500 times more energy potential per kilogram of fuel. These reactors are self-regulating, minimizing risks, and producing 90% less toxic nuclear byproducts. Most importantly, they ensure China's energy independence, freeing the country from Western energy control. In an era where energy dictates power, China will control the flow while other nations remain dependent on outdated and expensive resources. But China is not just making discoveries, it is putting them into action. The nation has already approved the world's first commercial thorium molten salt reactor, scheduled for operation in 2029 in the Gobi Desert. This facility is only the beginning. With advancements in thorium technology, China is set to deploy modular reactors across the country, capable of supplying entire cities with stable, green energy. While others talk about clean energy, China is already building the infrastructure to power the next century. Molten salt reactors, MSRs, represent the pinnacle of nuclear technology. Unlike conventional uranium reactors, MSRs operate at low pressures, eliminating the risk of catastrophic meltdowns. Here's how it works: thorium is dissolved in molten salt and heated at 1,400 degrees Celsius. Neutrons trigger a chain reaction, converting thorium into uranium-233, a potent nuclear fuel. The heat generated powers turbines, producing vast amounts of clean electricity. Unlike uranium-based reactors, thorium MSRs generate significantly lower radioactive byproducts. This is not just a scientific breakthrough, it is the key to breaking the global energy monopoly. With thorium-based MSRs, China will lead the world into the future of safe, cheap, and nearly infinite power. With thorium at its disposal, China is rewriting the rules of global energy. The implications of this discovery are profound. China will dictate the future of global energy markets, no longer reliant on oil imports or Western-controlled nuclear technology. They will lead the world in nuclear innovation and next-generation energy solutions, providing a sustainable, non-polluting alternative to fossil fuels. For too long, the West has relied on outdated energy sources, struggling with rising costs and geopolitical conflict over oil and gas. But China has leapfrogged into the future. While Western nations remain trapped in old technological paradigms, China is pioneering an era where energy is abundant, affordable, and powerful. China's discovery of thorium is more than just an energy breakthrough, it is a global shift in power. The world has been warned. The days of expensive energy and Western energy monopolies are over. The nation that controls energy controls the future, and China has now secured its place as the world's leading energy superpower. The world must prepare, China's rise is inevitable. The age of thorium has begun. We'll continue watching this story closely and keep you updated. A lot can happen in the coming months, but understanding geopolitics creates opportunities in the market. Now, let's shift to the investing portion of today's video and discuss a unique opportunity in the gold space. By the time I'm done explaining the value proposition of Gold Mining Incorporated, the sponsor of today's video and trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol GLDG, you'll see why this is a rare moment for gold investors. Take a look at this graph. Gold recently hit over $2,900 an ounce, an all-time high in dollar terms. Gold is also at record highs in euros, pounds, yen, CNY, Australian dollars, and Canadian dollars, and is nearing its peak in US dollars. Meanwhile, the GDXJ index, which tracks junior gold mining stocks, sits at $50, far below its 2011 peak of $167 when gold was priced at just $1,925 an ounce. Now, let's break this down further. Gold Mining Incorporated, GLDG, is trading near its 5-year low, even though gold prices are surging. As of this video, the company's market cap is approximately $159 million, with no debt and $145 million in cash and equity holdings. Gold Mining Incorporated owns an 80% stake in USGO and over 12% of Gold Royalty Corp., GRY. At current market prices, the company's holdings in these entities are worth about $106 million and $28 million, respectively. The company originally acquired a dozen gold projects, and at their peak, the combined market cap of the companies that previously owned them was $850 million. Yet today, Gold Mining Incorporated trades at a fraction of that value. In August 2020, when gold first reached $2,000 an ounce, Gold Mining Incorporated stock hit $2.72 per share. Today, it is down nearly 70%, despite gold prices being even higher. Clearly, there is a major gap between the company's market price and its asset portfolio. As always, do your own due diligence and consult a financial advisor before investing. Now, let's get back to the video. China has just unveiled a breakthrough that might be the greatest discovery in human history, an energy revolution powered by a silver-colored metal that is safer, cleaner, and far more efficient than uranium-based nuclear power. This isn't just innovation, it's a complete game-changer. This technology could reshape economies, alter global politics, and redefine the balance of power. And now, there's no turning back. China has officially taken the world by storm. Economies will shift. Power dynamics will transform. Nations across the globe are watching closely. With limitless energy at its fingertips, China isn't just leading, it's dominating the race for the future. Now that China has taken the world by storm, I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do you think this is a historic turning point? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.